Geospatial professionals are relied on around the world to manage our cadastre, engineer our built environments and ensure our homes, public spaces, workplaces and infrastructure are constructed to design.
With ever-increasing demands on your time and expertise, it has never been more crucial to work and make full use of the resources you have at hand.
Position Partners is here to support your business with a combination of leading technology, backed by a large and experienced network of professionals that understand your workflow, application and project needs. We work with you to provide a fixed per hour rate for the equipment lifecycle, eliminating any surprise costs for maintenance and repairs, giving you absolute confidence over your business costs. Our team of more than 250 people throughout Australia, New Zealand and Southeast Asia is committed to delivering exceptional customer service and support for surveyors, architects, engineers and other geospatial professionals.
Our campus training ensures your decision to choose us is rewarded swiftly, with employees getting highly productive within hours. Additional tips and workflows can be accessed on our YouTube channel that supports thousands of users.
Our workshop teams throughout Australasia offer repairs, calibration and services for your survey and mapping instruments. Topcon robotic total stations and GNSS instruments deliver reliable, precise survey measurements. Magnet offers start-to-finish cadastral and engineering workflows that are refreshingly user-friendly. Industry-grade RPAS options include VTOL, fixed-wing and rotor-based systems with thorough training to help you adopt the technology to its full potential. 3D laser scanning systems sourced from leading suppliers worldwide enable you to model almost any structure inside and out. A range of optical and wireless IoT monitoring platforms can be relied on for infrastructure or building projects, large or small, with a dedicated team to support each project as required.
Sourcing innovative new technology, such as a tiny surveyor line marking robot, is an example of how Position Partners connects to the industry, understands the workflows, and stays abreast of worldwide trends that can help the survey profession.
All Day RTK is our subscription-based RTK network delivering high-precision GNSS positioning with unsurpassed reliability throughout Australia and New Zealand. Takara Link is our custom-designed remote support solution, offering you support, software updates and a range of other services on demand, wherever you're working.
Whenever you need some help, one of our technicians can log into your survey tablet remotely and troubleshoot with you over the phone, seeing exactly what you're seeing on the same screen. Most of the time we can resolve technical issues then and there, saving a lot of time and frustration on your part.
From marking a boundary with traditional surveying instruments to marking road lines with an automated robot, look to Position Partners for a technology supplier that supports our profession and backs your business.